everyone, it's me, Elisa here, and I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to use an air fryer. We have two here. We have this one right here. This one is by Chef Ming Tsai, as you can tell on the logo. It's simply Ming. That's Chef Ming Tsai. We use a lot of his stuff, a lot of his products in my family. And then we have this one right here. It's the one by Bella. And it's also, we use a little bit of theirs, but not as much as we do with Chef Ming Tsai and Curtis Stone. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make a decent meal using these two products, using these air fryers. I'm going to teach you guys how to make chicken nuggets and also the crinkle fries to go with that. And so let's see how these two products work. Now, granted, anyone can use these. Anyone can. Like if you're like in your own apartment or anything, you can use these without burning your house down. Honestly, because I can use them when I'm at home alone, and I can use these all the time. So let's see how this meal will turn out. Okay guys, so here's what you'll need. Here's your mise en place. We're going to be using these right here, these crinkle fries right here. They're ordinary potato french fries. And these Tyson chicken nuggets. We're going to be making those today. And here's what you'll need. You'll need this right here. You'll need an extra pair of tongs, because you're going to be using those to grab out the chicken. Now, let's get started. Okay, now let me show you how to do this. First, we're going to need to open these, like here. Let me put this over here. Too dark. We're going to take this, we need to open it, and then we're going to put the chicken nuggets in this one, in the Simply Ming Tsai one, and then in the Bella one we're going to put the fries. So let's go ahead and start doing that. This one right here will have the chicken nuggets in it, and this one here will have the fries in it. So let's go ahead and put those in there. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, do you use oil in the air fryers when you're actually putting like fries or chicken? Do you actually use oil? The answer is no, you can't, because if you use oil in these, they will make the air fryer turn on fire. So I would not suggest you use oil when actually doing this. So be aware, don't use oil. So let's put them into the air fryer and let's get cooking. Okay, this one. We'll start with the chicken nuggets in this one. And the fries. There you go. Now, for the chicken nuggets, it's going to be a little bit different. We have here, I'm going to set it up to the 400. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. I'm going to set that to the 400. And we're going to put that on for about, I don't know if you can see that well. Oops. I'm going to put that on for about 10 minutes. So, go all the way up to the 10. And then we're going to do the same thing with the french fries. 400 right here. And then set that up to the 10. Now when these are done, they'll ding. So let's wait. They're just about done. So just about it. But it is starting to smell really, really good in here. Okay, time to check. Ooh. right here. So first, how are we going to do this? So, we're going to take these. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we are going to be using, I have a plate here already set. You're going to grab these tongs. This is where you'll need the tongs for. And you will grab each one and set them onto a plate. Just like so. Now easily, you can make a meal out of this thing. That's what I do. You just save room for the chicken nuggets too that we've made. There's still a little bit here, so I'll take those. And then now, granted, cleanup here is a breeze. It's so simple, so easy to clean these things out once you've used them. But first, you'd want to do your other dishes first because of the oil content that is in the food. Okay, so have this one soaking. Comes the chicken nuggets. See how they're doing. Yummy. Those are good. And we're going to do the same thing like we did with the fries. I don't know if you guys can see that, but... Okay. There we go. Focus. There we go. We're going to do the same thing like we did with the fries. They're right over there. And you're going to put them on the plate. And so, turn off that water. So, we have, yep, that it? Yep, that's it. So now you can see we have made us a meal. That looks good. So now I'm going to put this into the sink and we're going to let this one soak as well. I'm going to put some water in here, let it soak. Okay, now here comes some more fun part with this one. A lot of you guys ask me, and ask other people, how do you clean the air fryer baskets? Well, first you have to clean your other dishes before you actually clean the actual air fryer baskets because of the oil content from the food that you just made. So first, I'm going to knock out these dishes and then I'll show you guys how to clean the air fryer baskets, which is simple and easy. So just watch. Okay, so I have all those dishes cleaned and I'm going to show you guys how to actually clean the air fryers. Now you notice it has this button right here and right here. If it's like this, you push this clear part back and you push this button and you lift up. Just like this. Press this button, lift up. And now, this is the first part you have to clean out. Because look at all those food products. You don't want that. So you need to rinse that out and then wash it. And you need, after you're done with that, then you clean out the base. So, after you do that, it goes right with the other dishes. But always make sure you hand wash the air fryer baskets because they're metal. So you don't want to put them into a dishwasher and then be destroyed. So make sure you always put these in a hand wash load. Now that I have all of my dishes are done and everything has been put away, I can finally now eat. So I will see you guys next time in my next cooking tutorial. So see you guys later.